So guys, the place I was at is where the presidential office is. That is where the president's office is. So I need to stop filming, and then just after it, and then you will have the American embassy there, and then filming at the American embassy too is not allowed. So I'm here still in Almadies, Dakar. So guys, as you can see, this is the city of Dakar, Senegal, and this region is called Almadies. That is where I'm at right now, exploring this region. Yeah. So guys, where I stopped the video, that is where the presidential office is, and then just beside it is the American embassy, and then filming at those areas are not allowed. So that's why I stopped recording. And then when going in front of, like when going straight after the American embassy, there's only a river on that area. So I decided to take a turn, and then yeah.
Imagine une personne s'engage à remonter la musique sur la zone. Le risque est élevé.
So guys, as I said earlier, certain vehicles are not allowed to enter this region of Dakar. Yeah, because the public transport I took stops at the main entrance, and then I asked why it is not getting in to Almadies. They said that no, they are not allowed to get inside Almadies. So maybe just to keep the city modernized, and then I have no idea why did the government do that. So I'm just randomly walking here and then exploring the city.
Where?
Guys, and then one thing I notice here is there's a lot of hotels around this area. There's a lot of hotels, because they say that most of the tourists come here and then later go to Mbour. Mbour is another region in Senegal, so maybe that's why there's a lot of hotel and restaurants. Yeah. Guys, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Yeah. So this is a car wash area, a local car wash area. So guys, I will soon be ending the video. Guys, and then there's one thing I noticed here is there's a lot of departments here, government departments and international departments like IOM, International Open Migration, and then the government departments, embassies around this neighborhood. Yeah, so that is what I noticed here too. my God. So guys, I'll be ending the video here, and then I start finding my way home. Yeah, I'll be ending. So guys, I'm gonna end the video here. As always, if this is your first time on this YouTube channel, just kindly hit the subscribe button, like and share with friends and family. I'm out. Peace. See you next time. This is all what I have for you in this part of Dakar, Almadies. Yeah, I'm out. Peace.